Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear brothers and sisters, welcome in How to Perform Umrah and Hajj, a series of video lectures by embellished by Mufakirin. Episode 4, Grooming. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button so you get a notification every time I post a new video. If you have already subscribed, thank you very much. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, or hit the thumbs down button if you don't like this video. What do you think about this video? Let me know in the comments. Now let's move to the main episode. In this episode we will talk about how you groom yourself for your journey of Umrah or Hajj. Have your hairs cut, trimmed according to your wishes. Set your beard and mustache, have your khat and everything done, and then trim your hairs from private parts, armpits, etc. Clip your nails of the foot and hand. Perform a ghusl, which we call a shower, proper shower in Islamic way, ghusl. And then you dress up your ihram or regular clothes depending how you will go, where you are planning to assume your ihram. Ihram usually you will if you are going by air, it's advisable to put your ihram from home. There are places in the airport where you can put your ihram, but the washroom conditions, and also you can put your ihram in the aeroplane, but it will also be difficult because the airplane washrooms are very small and there will be a rush in the aeroplane. An aeroplane may quickly cross the miqat position. Also, if you are going from the Islamic countries or going in the Saudi airline or another Muslim countries airline, they will certainly announce the miqat points, but some other airlines may not do so. So you have to be mindful about that and see how you are comfortable. The cleanness is the half iman, so you have to think about from where you can amicably put your ihram comfortably. Some people find it's easy for them to get dressed in ihram from home, so they can go smoothly from the airport and do not enter any washroom, congested washroom, especially the aeroplane. Thank you very much. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you didn't like the video, hit the thumbs down button. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe now. If you have subscribed, I thank you very much and have a great time. Ma salama.